The rising kind of anti-Muslim discrimination, vandalism and violence that has been occurring in Sri Lanka since 2012. Culminating most recently in anti-Muslim riots and murder of innocent civilians in Beruwala, Aludgama and Darga town, Sri Lanka on June 16. Having lived in peace and harmony with Sinhalese Buddhists, Tamil, Hindus and Christians of various ethnic backgrounds in Sri Lanka for centuries, and having enjoyed the protection of Sinhalese Buddhist political leaders from religious persecution in the past and present, the Sri Lanka Muslim community is especially troubled that the peaceful, generous nation of Sri Lanka majority Sinhalese people.